defense is going to stand up now and talk to you a little bit, and then I'll come back and tell you more about it. Thanks very much for your attention. That's all I have, Your Honor. Thank you.
Does have any questions of the panel?
We have just a couple, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, appreciate your attention. Mr. Frederick, I'm not picking on you, but just based on some other answers you've given, I got a couple of questions. Have you ever been injured in an accident?
No, sir.
Then you've never filed a personal injury suit?
Never.
Ever filed any other kind of suit in court?
No, sir.
And your wife, would she have filed a personal injury lawsuit?
No, no, sir.
What about your brother? Has he ever filed a lawsuit?
He hadn't, counsel, and if it'll save you some time, no one in my family has ever sued anybody.
And last but not least, tell us the newspapers that you read regularly, if you read newspapers regularly.
I do. I read the Wall Street Journal every morning, and then occasionally I'll browse through the New York Times.
Thank you very much. Your Honor, that's all the questions we have.
Thank you. Counsel, I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to consider your strikes.
We've got Frederick dead to rights now. We've got the pleadings to show he has filed suit and got a big verdict. So what are we going to do?
Yeah, but he fits our profile perfectly. I mean, he reads the Wall Street Journal, and we've got that Scott character that we have to get rid of, and we got one peremptory left.
Yeah, it's a tough choice.
Does the plaintiff wish to exercise any strikes?
We don't have any strikes. We like this panel very much, and we'll go with it. Thank you.
Plaintiff has tendered a panel to you. What says the defense?
If it please the court, the defense would excuse Mr. Scott.
Mr. Scott, we thank you for your service. You may step down and you are excused. Ladies and gentlemen, have you reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
How do you find?
We, the jury, find on behalf of the plaintiff in this case for $475 million.
Thank you. Is this the verdict of each and every one of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, I thank you very much for your service. This concludes your jury service. Lawyers in this case may wish to visit with you afterward, or they may call you. It's entirely up to you as to whether or not you visit with them. Again, I thank you. You're excused. I'd ask that everyone in the courtroom remain seated until the jury exits.